Welcome to qnawire.
If the perimeter of a rectangle is 42 centimeters and the area is 108 square centimeters, we want to know what's the dimensions of the rectangle. Well, in general, when we think of a rectangle as having a length and a width, then perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, and the area is length times width. And if we know that the area is 108, and we know that the perimeter is 42, here's some things that we could do. If we knew that, well, we could factor out a 2. Not that you need to, but you can. And then divide both sides by 2. 21 must be the length and the width, meaning they must add up to 21. And for instance, if we just divided both sides by W, then L would be equal to 108 over W, and we could substitute that for L here. So 21 would equal 108 over W plus W, which that would be W squared over W, so that we had a common denominator. And if we just scale everything by W, multiply everything by W, 21W would be equal to 108 plus W squared. Again, I'm just looking at this and say, let's just multiply everything by W. Then it's just a little easier to look at, and it's a quadratic. So we have W squared plus, when we subtract, if we set it equal to 0, we're going to subtract 21W and add 108. So now we're looking to factor. What two numbers multiply to 108 but add to negative 21? So 108 is divisible by 4, and there's a difference of 21 there. 4 and 27. So it'd be a negative 27 and a positive 4. Then they would multiply oh, that's not correct. I have to multiply a positive 8, 108, and add to negative 21. So they have to both be negative. So let's keep working here. 6 and 18, if they were both negative, would not give us 21. 9 and 12 would. So it's negative 9 and negative 12 multiply to 108 and add to negative 21, which means the width could be 9 or the width could be 12 by the zero factor theorem. If the width is 9, then the length is 12. We'd get 9 plus 12, which is 21, plus 21 is 42, and 9 times 12 is 108. So the width must be 9, the length must be 12.